This is all Jen's garden. She have couple plants, a lot of flowers. That's a lot of flowers, pretty flowers. We need to spray mosquito. Oh, this is nice, pretty. Oh, what happened to the bird? It went up. They're still alive, right? The bird?
Oh, the baby?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. My daughter took it.
Okay, good.
I don't know. I never asked her if they're still alive or dead.
Mm.
Oh, 3 babies! I'm so happy I never could spend money. I almost bought them on
No,
Facebook.
don't buy it.
I don't know how you can record it.
No, I meant so.
Oh, put song in there.
You have bananas?
You know how to do it?
I don't know. It happened.
Download it?
But it died in the wintertime.
I have to like put on it.
Okay.
I like that.
Okay.
I'll show you a picture, but it's just
TikTok.
a baby and it died.
Chica home and more flower up front. I think I have these trees right here, but they all small. They're not grow large or big like this, or tall. No, I have this kind. She closed that there, unlocked, yeah. A kreuong.
Yeah, water, but it's so hot.
Mm-hmm.
Jenny, it would be so nice if you have your waterfall here. But look,
Well, she don't have time to maintain
That
this.
used to be my fish pond. That was my fish pond.
It is really cute, though, Jen.
And it
it's a
used
nice
to,
layout.
Mm-hmm.
it does have waterfall before.
Does it work?
It worked, but I shut it.
Hello, lady. Help with the cooking. Oh, sorry, Lily.
This is a sample. Let's see how this goes. 'Cause the first 2 is like always.
Oh, you making banh chao? Oh. តើមានត្រូវការជីអត់ប្រាប់គ្នាមានឲ្យបែរមកជីច្រើនដែរតាអឺ
And your teeth got like that.
Yeah. Making banh chao and Lily, I forgot what you call this again.
Yeah, that's it. Filipino.
No.
Young Woon Sen.
Young Vincent. Young Vincent.
Yum.
Noodle.
Sour.
Yeah. Sour and spicy. Yum is
It is my go-to.
yeah.
It's just the sauce. That
Yes. Lily always make this. Thank you. Butter na. This is sauce. You can hold it.
Yeah, I'm doing good.
So basically, the noodles, onion, seafood, cilantro, and
Pepper.
yeah.
Lime, garlic in the sauce.
This is a girl going. This is a girl what you call tray that we usually get together. Lily, I'll make this. Hot bok la hong.
Everybody like it, so I make it a lot.
Yeah, everybody love this. And then Pip making banh chao.
You're doing a lot of work today.
Yeah, you do a lot of work. What time you guys got here? Oh my.
Oh yeah, what happened to that?
Oh, Lily already finished mix all this sauce.
It's good. You cooking, man. I haven't seen you cook well in action in a while.
Good, man. I good.
Pia don't do parties no more. She don't invite me no more.
She trying to get
I'm lazy, man.
Thank you, Lily.
No problem. Hold on.
Behind you. I get it.
Ooh, record me in action.
Don't worry, I get ice.
You don't want ice?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you, Lily.
You need it though.
That looks pretty.
If not, you have to take it, open it up and take it
Got
out.
it.
Oh,
I know it's.
it's girl too?
Banh Chao. ហើយអានេះស្លការី
Yeah, my fridge used to be like that. Fish sauce. Fish sauce.
ធ្វើនំបញ្ចុក so we toast the bread dip it with curry chicken curry
Yeah, this is
this
yours.
curry ដាក់ទឹកបន្តិចណាគ្នាអត់សូវចំណូលសាច់ទេ
Only put the best.
thanks ដាក់
The
ណា
bread is up there.
អរគុណ
Is up there.
smells good yummy I love curry
Like curry?
thank you
Hey, don't you like
she cook it អបស្ដាយដី
First of all, they don't speak.
ហើយអានេះ
And my mom.
tomato
Yeah, mom tend to speak Thai, so she only
Ping
hang
pong.
out with my other mom.
Yeah.
ស្ដែកវែងបុកជាមួយគ្នា make it sour and slow spice garlic pepper probably 4 little small pepper get some spice kick in
Yeah, that's enough, girl. That's the last one.
That's what I'm at the table.
tomato
No, you put
Too
the
many Asian shakers.
it's good
It's been sitting here.
so mush it all together
I'm gonna go to the room 6 months ahead, so we guarantee that we'll get.
I'm now mushing
Okay.
the long beans បុកស្ដែកឲ្យវាសោះចូលគ្នា Instead of me making a pie, I'm making this. ខ្ញុំប្រើអានេះទឹកប្រហុក mudfish product of Thailand with a sauce. Mix it all together.
It just came out. Yes, yes.
I'm using fish sauce, 3 Crops brand.
Oh, my sister.
If you like allergy to seafood, don't use it, okay? Sugar, because you might get itchy over your skin. But I love the 3 Crops brand, it's pretty good. And mix it together, and then ready to eat. So it's done. Oh, thank you, Lily. I'll comeច្រើនស្គមវិញ
Oh, let me go get some more wine.
ហើយស្គមមែនតើ
Let me try it now. Let's see
Oh, so they,
Oh, she said
I don't know. It's yeah.
She
Taste.
says better.
What's the sauce probably tastes better? What's the sauce? Oh, they're coming apart. Oh, my eye.
It's better.
It's better. You put some more sauce into it, Lily, because I.
No, it's good. What you need is the already made sauce. The brand.
Yeah. Yeah.
នេះទឹក
Oh.
ទឹកជ្រលក់
ទឹកជ្រលក់ អូអរគុណច្រើន
មកតែឲ្យដាក់ខ្លួនឯង
Looks good already.
The bread, one curry.
Okay. Yes. Curry.
I'll get one.
But then look,
I feel bad for her. Wasn't it bad pregnancy though?
Huh?
Tired and shit, right? In your 40s?
Yeah, why is young.
August. No, 19.
Noodles over here, Sophia.
Yeah. Dip. I like dip with bread.
I
Yummy.
feel so bad. I'm gonna cry my ass off. You
Mm.
see my baby go under.
What? You'll be alright.
It's a lot. Oh my God.
She does.
Yeah, she does.
Because I remember her kind of quiet,
Yeah.
you know?
But she started late though.
Mm.
Because until like 2 years old, that's when she started like really
Yummy.
blabbing.
I had two dreams last night. I already told you my dream, right? I mean, no, Lily. I didn't dream about you.
Mm.
Because
Chị đi ngồi à?
kid. No, that's
Ngồi
the
bên
wrong
ta.
one. She gotta wait.
I love
She's
it.
gonna wait until Melissa finish high school.
What's the dip?
Dude, I don't believe it. I'm sorry. I believe when I see it,
She's not gonna
Mm.
believe it.
period.
So it's just
Mm,
the
chị nói nha.
same old.
Todd can't be that bad. I mean, she's been with him forever.
29.